Good morning, welcome to the online class. We are going to start the revision. Already I have completed one lesson revision from civics part. Today we are going to revise the second chapter, that is election, political parties and pressure groups. First we are going to revise the one-word questions. First choose the correct answers. First choose the correct answer. First one, that is, India has adapted the electoral system followed in the United Kingdom. United Kingdom is the answer. United Kingdom, that means Scotland, England, Ireland, all the three together called United Kingdom. Before 1947, the British people were ruling our country, India. Some of the systems are followed till now in our country. That is the electoral system. Also, we are following the same system followed by the British. It is adapted from the United Kingdom. So the United Kingdom is the answer. The second one, Election Commission of India, is an independent body. We have the Election Commission. Election, this is a separate wing to conduct the free and fair election in our country, India. So it is an independent body. Third one, which article of Constitution provides for an election commission? The Constitution of India says about the election commission in India, that is the Article 324, C option. Article 324 says about the election commission of India. Which part of the Constitution of India says about election commission? Part 15, that is B option. Part 15 says about the election commission of India. Who accords recognition to the various political parties as national or regional parties? The election commission gives the recognition for the political parties. Either recognition, for that some conditions are necessary to get the recognition of the political party. In our country there are many political parties. It is recognized by the election commission, and each political party has a symbol also. This symbol also provided by this election commission. Sixth one, ascertain and reason. A option, both A and R are true and R explains A. That is, Indian Constitution provides for an independent election commission. Our Indian Constitution gives the separate election commission for our country, India. This election commission ensures free and fair election in the country. Conducting free and fair election is the responsibility of the election commission. Then seventh one, Nota was introduced in the year 2014. One of the electronic voting machine, they have included one more option. Nota option was first introduced in the year 2014. Before that it was not introduced. First time it was introduced in the year 2014. The term pressure groups originated in USA. The pressure groups, it is started in USA. There are many pressure groups in USA. It was working effectively. Our country also, the pressure groups are there, not much effective like USA. So answer, USA is the answer. The term pressure groups originated in USA. The ninth one, ascertain and reason. A large number of pressure groups exist in India. Pressure groups are not developed in India to the same extent as in the USA. That is B option. is answer. Both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Two statements also correct, but first A statement not explain about that reason, that is ascertain, not explain about the reason. Fill in the blanks. The Election Commission of India is a body of 3 members. We have the separate election commission. The election commission conduct a free and fair election. It is the responsibility of the election commission. That election commission has 3 commissioners, election commissioners. One is chief election commissioner and other 2 election commissioners. National Voters Day has been celebrated on January 25th. Every year January 25th is celebrated as the National Voters Day. Making awareness about the voting, that is Voters Day. In India, multi-party system is followed. We have many parties are there. Some countries have only one party, some countries have 2 parties, and our country India has many parties, so it is an example of multi-party system. National parties and regional parties are there in our country India. In 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties. The year 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties. Example, Congress, BJP, like this, 7 national parties we have. Our country has 7 national parties. The year 2017 only the Election Commission given the recognition for the 7 national parties. Narmada Bacha Andolan is a pressure group. It is one of the pressure group in India. Many pressure groups are there in India. It is one among the pressure groups. That is Narmada Bacha Andolan. It is a pressure group. Match the following. National party. There are 7 national parties are there in India. Already we have seen. Single party system example for a single party. Single party means one party rule. One party rule, that is China is an example of one party rule. Bi-party system or 2-party system, example USA and UK, and example of multi-party system India. Single party China, 2-party system is USA. Pressure groups, trade union. Trade union in India we have the trade union. It is an example of pressure group. It is an example of pressure group. Now we are going to see give short answers. First one, explain the electoral system in India. Electoral system in India. That is page number 246. First 2 mark question. Explain the electoral system in India. That is under we have marked the answer under the electoral system in India. First point, we started to mark from second line, an independent election commission in order to ensure free and fair election in the country. We have the election commission to conduct the election. Periodically, the election commission conduct the election once in 5 years. Once in 5 years, the election will be conducted. It is a responsibility of the election commission conducting free and fair election. It is a separate body. Election commission is a separate wing in our country, India. The next point, the parliament may make provision. First point, an independent election commission in order to ensure free and fair election in the country. Up to that you marked. Then second point, the parliament may make provision with respect to all matters relating to elections to the parliament, including the preparation of electoral rolls. The parliament has the responsibility of preparing the electoral roll. Before the election, the electoral rolls will be prepared, name list, the names, they will add the new names in the electoral list. All that, for that the parliament may make provisions respect to all matters relating to elections, the parliament including the preparation of electoral rolls. All these preparations before the election, the parliament make preparation for the election, especially for making the electoral rolls. To cast the vote in the election, then our name must be there in the electoral roll. To enroll the name in the electoral roll, age must be 18 years. Age only the criteria to cast our vote. Our voters casting the vote by the adult franchise. That means to vote in the election, age only the criteria. The next point we have marked, the state legislatures can also make provision with respect to all matters relating to elections to state legislature, including preparation of electoral rolls. The state assembly elections. Before the assembly election, the state legislatures can make provision with respect to all matters relating to the elections, the state legislature. Parliament election means the parliament make provisions related to the electoral rolls. Assembly election means the state assembly make provisions in the regarding the electoral rolls. Then the next question, give the meaning of political party. Give the meaning of political party. That is page number 248. Page 248. Meaning of political party heading. Meaning of political party heading. We have marked about 4 lines. A political party is an organization formed by a group of people with a certain ideology and agenda to contest elections, hold power in the government. At the time of election, political parties, regional parties and national parties come for the contest in the election. They will come and ask the vote for these political parties. There will be a competition among the political parties to win the political power. That is election. At the time of the election, the political parties come for come and ask the people to vote for their own political parties. Here it is given the meaning of the political party. Many political parties are there, that is national party, regional parties. It is a political party means an organization formed by a group of people. Group of people will be there in each political party. So it is an organization. Political party is an organization, a group of people. Group of people will be there in the political party with a certain ideology. Each political party has certain ideologies, policies. Each political party has their own policies and agenda to contest in the election. Each political party has some agenda in the political party. To contest with that agenda only, they will contest in the election. And the help of that agenda, they try to win the election, and hold power in the government. That is political party. This is the meaning of the political party. Distinguish between two-party system and multi-party system. Two-party system and multi-party system. That answer we have marked, that same page number 248. Types of a party system. Type of a party system. The type of party system, second and third points we have marked. Two-party system in which only two major parties exist. For example, USA, UK. Two-party, ruling party and opposition party. Only these two parties will be there in some of the countries. Here they are given the example of two-party system prevailing the countries, USA and UK. These countries, only two-party system is there. One is ruling party, another one is opposition party. Multi-party system in which there are more than two political parties. More than two political parties, some of the countries have, that is example of multi-party system. Our country, India, also example of multi-party system. For example, India, Sri Lanka, France and Italy. These are all the countries have the multi-party, many parties. Many parties. Our country, India, has the national party as well as the regional parties. So, this is the third 2-mark question. Then the fourth one, what is a pressure group? What is a pressure group? There is a fourth answer. That answer will we'll revise it later. What are the answers we have marked? What are the questions I have revised? You learned that answers. Okay, enough. Thank you.